Hola, I'm Señora Vaz, your Spanish teacher for this term. So I'm glad that you are here, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of the introduction to the class too, so you see how these things work. Let me show you. This is my Canvas page, and I'm going to put it on the student view so you will see. In the Canvas page, these are the things that you're going to find. You're going to find the syllables, my contact information, how the procedures are in our class, what things we do, what things we don't do in class, and the late word policy. The late word policy is very important because in this part you find a form where you're going to submit your late work. So you have sometimes you forget to submit something and you want to submit it, just go to the late form and you fill in the form. So that will help you to make up the grade. All right, so back to the page, you have a section here that is called frequently asked questions. And the frequently asked questions, I have put some of the questions that the students ask me and that may be useful for you so you can complete your assignments or I don't know, different things that students ask me. So I have put them there. I'm going to get out of the student view right now and go to show you what you're going to find today, the first day. So you're going to find your first assignments. The assignment is going to have the date, but it also says day 1. So you know that that's your first day. So when you go to the first day, you have an actividad inicial. This is how the class plan looks like. The first thing that you find every day is what we call actividad inicial. That is the corresponding to a warm-up. And it's the first activity. You have to develop the first activity in the first 5 minutes of the class. Meaning that if our class starts at 2:50, the warm-up has to be completed by 2:55. And that happens every day. Every day you come in the classroom, you sit to work on your actividad inicial while I call roll and check that everything is being done around the classroom. So you are going to do that. So you have the first 5 minutes. Then I show you, I always put an instructional video like the one I'm recording now with instructions. So you know what you're going to do in the class. In the case that I'm not in class, or in the case that you are not in class, it's very important that you look at the video because the video is going to give you the step-by-step of what you need to do for the class. However, you also have the instructions. So there is your instructions. There is an example and what you have to do. So for the first day, you're going to have to read. It says right here, that's a homework. You need to read with your parents, complete and submit the syllables. And the syllables is right here, where I show you at the beginning. So it is very simple. I organized the page in the home page. So you have the modules right there. You can find them. And you can always, you're going to find always the day that you had to work on right there at the bottom. Right there at the bottom is going to show up the new one, the new one, the new one. So you just need to roll down and see what the class plan says you need to do. I hope to see you soon. Adios.